Hello and welcome to mycadsite.com, and this video is here to show you the simple ways and easy ways to zoom and move around your drawing. And here we have a small to medium drawing, and I'm just zooming in and out using the scroll wheel on my mouse. And this is probably the quickest and easiest way to zoom in and out, but as you see here, you can zoom in so quickly you can lose your track and where it is. So you can do a zoom extents to get out to the full extents of what you've drawn. And that's the easiest way to get your base back so that you can start working again. And here's a zoom window. Just type in Z, enter, and then pick 2 points for a rectangular window, and that'll zoom you into it. You can make your changes, and you can also then zoom back in. And you'll find that using a zoom window and your scroll wheel will get you to a lot of cases where you're going to have everything you need for zooming. And if you want to work in one particular area and then zoom in and out of it, you can do a zoom previous, which will allow you to zoom in closely and then type in Z enter, P enter to zoom back out to the previous zoom screen that you had. So you can see you can very quickly move around different parts of your drawing, and here I'm using the scroll wheel while I'm also in the middle of the pan command. So P enter for pan, and now I can just pan around, use my scroll wheel to zoom in or out, and then escape at any time and do a zoom extents to get back to the full drawing again. So you'll also notice that there's almost no limit, no practical limit to how closely you can zoom in with Autocad. And here I'm just zooming in using a zoom window to get very close to this corner, and although it doesn't look like much, I am zooming in very closely so that when I draw a line, and now I'm just going to list the properties of that line, you can see that the length doesn't even measure up in Autocad. So I'm going to close that, erase my line, and then start zooming back to the extents of the drawing. So the main thing is to get very comfortable with zooming, and if you cannot zoom and move around your drawing effectively, it will slow you down as a drafter. It's very important that you can move quickly, and any good draftsman you see will be working with the zoom command very effectively. You won't see them doing too much from far away, so zoom in, work closely. Thanks for watching, mycadsite.com.